Hey up, you little sports bike fans. It's Will at Jordanbikes. Today I've got to sell this absolutely belting Fireblade from Honda. 1000cc engine, CBR1000s. This one's mega. Loads and loads of extras. And as you can see, a bespoke paint job. One of the BSB riders, number 22. And also been signed by the same rider. What rider is it, Mr. Cameraman?
Jason O'Halloran.
Jason O'Halloran. Anyway, we'll get to the bike itself. It's a 2017-17 plate, 10,142 miles it's done. These come with a quickshifter anyway. They come with the Brembo brakes. They also come with loads and loads of computer stuff, power modes, traction, engine braking. Yeah, it's got a load of bits and bobs. This one, extra Austin Racing exhaust there. We'll hear that in a second. Titanium, sounds mega. Seat cowl, tail tidy, Rizoma indicators, ASV levers. Obviously the paint job's the biggest thing. Looks absolutely stunning. Loads and loads of Gillies carbon. We've got some Lextek rear sets. The list goes on. Anyway, we'll show the full colour display there and we'll give it a quick start up. Belting. Wee. Alright, I'm going to give it a quick start up. I think it's in beast mode, and if it's in, it sounds absolutely mega. Anyway guys, there's loads of other extra bits on this that we've probably not gone through. The full list will be on the information provided. All you need to do, get this absolute belter bought, pop down to Jordanbikes, just give us a call on it. Beast time. Fireblade.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.